I am Maratus Solihah, student of Mathematics Education, Yogyakarta State University, would like to present about my paper with the title Ethnomathematics, Exploration Mathematics Learning Resources in Osing Culture. One approach to learning mathematics that is currently developing is ethnomathematics. Ethnomathematics is a learning approach that is carried out by teaching mathematics by linking mathematics with cultural works and involving the needs and lives of its people. When learning mathematics through ethnomathematics, students learn mathematics with concrete and contextual learning resources so that the learning process of mathematics becomes more meaningful. Suryawan and Saryasa conveyed that ethnomathematics can be used as an alternative in developing mathematics teaching materials that so far tend to be conventional and are less contextual. Indonesia, as one of the multicultural countries in the world, provides many cultural-based learning resources for mathematics. Badan Pusat Statistik and Institute of South Asian Studies formulate that there are around 633 ethnic groups derived from ethnic and sub-ethnic groupings in Indonesia. Each tribe has a distinctive culture that is different from one another. On Java Island, which is the most densely populated island, there are various diverse tribes, namely Javanese, Sundanese, Baduy, Osing, and others. Osing ethnicity is an ethnic group that inhabit the eastern region of Java Island, precisely in the Banyuwangi district. In its development, the Osing ethnic group has a distinctive culture that they call the Osing culture. This research is a qualitative research. The data was collected through observing Osing culture, interviewing local people, and take documentation. We also analyzed the 2013 curriculum revised of Indonesia. We collected data during July 2020 from 5 places in Banyuwangi. Those are Sabah Swagata Blambangan, Blambangan Museum, Osing Traditional Market, Kemiren Customary Village, and Gesibu Blambangan. From those places, found many things that can be learning resources for learning mathematics. Learning resource refers to anything that has instructional content or function that are used for formal or informal teaching learning purpose. Learning resources have to support the achievement of educational curriculum objectives. According to Peraturan Menteri Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Number 21, the year 2016 concerning content standard for primary and secondary education, the mathematics competencies that are expected to be achieved by students are as follows. The first, understanding mathematical concepts and use them in problem solving. Second is understanding mathematical procedures and operations and able to apply them. The third, communicate mathematical ideas clearly. The fourth, using concrete and symbolic models or other strategies in problem solving. And fifth, have the positive mathematical attitude, like logical, critical, and persistent in problem solving. The first learning resource is Batik Gajah Oling. Batik Gajah Oling is one of the typical batik of the Osing tribe. In Batik Gajah Oling motifs is arranged using the concept of translation. Batik Gajah Oling can be used as a learning resource to understand the concept of translation. The second one is gebyok. Gebyok is furniture that functioned as a room divider. Gebyok made of wood be decorated with carved ornament. The carving object contains the mathematical concept of reflection. Gebyok can be used as a learning resource to understand the concept of reflection. The third one is udeng. Udeng is a traditional hat that is usually worn by men. What is unique about udeng is that the udeng circle is surrounded by two triangular pieces of cloth on the right and left. The triangle shape in udeng can be used as a mathematics learning resources, that is, to understand the concept of triangle and also determine the perimeter and area of triangle. The fourth is Gesibu Blambangan. Gesibu Blambangan is a place for performing arts and cultural performance located in Blambangan Square. The roof of Gesibu Blambangan is a pyramid with the top of the roof is a cube. Gesibu Blambangan can be used as a mathematics learning resources to learning about cube and pyramid, and it's also can use for learning research to determine the volume and the surface area of cube and pyramid. The next one is kue apem contong. Kue apem contong is a traditional sweet flavored rice cake wrapped in a cone-shaped coconut leaves. Kue apem contong can be used as a learning resource to learn about the concept of the cone. Students can learn to understand the structure of the cone and determine the surface area and volume of the cone. The next one is tampah. Tampah is traditional tool made of woven bamboo with a circle shape like a plate with a flat base. Tampah is multifunctional tool usually used for winnowing rice and also used for food containers. Tampah can be used as a learning resource to understand the concept of circle. Students can recognize the part of a circle and also can learn to determine the circumference and the area of a circle. The last one is batik sekar jagat. Batik sekar jagat means beauty, so that people who see it will be amazed. Sekar jagat is batik which consists of a collection of 7 different motifs in one sheet of cloth. The various motifs contain many geometric mathematical concepts. Those are various forms of shape like triangle, square, rectangle, and rhombus, and types of angles, right angle, acute, and obtuse, and also the concept of the perpendicular line. With batik sekar jagat, students can identifying and describing the characteristic of various shapes, determining the types of angles, and students also can learn to understanding the concept of perpendicular lines. In the end, there are many ethnomathematics learning resources that can be used on the Osing culture. Those are batik gajah oling, gebyok, udeng, and other. These learning resources can be used for learning activities that are appropriate with the basic competencies of the 2013 curriculum revised at the elementary and junior high school. Thank you.